Are you looking to implement a sleek horizontal progress bar in your iOS app, just like the ones you see on Android? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we will guide you through the process of creating a horizontal linear progress bar that will elevate your app's user experience. I totally understand how frustrating it can be when you want to achieve a specific design element in your app, but you're not sure how to implement it. You're definitely not alone in this struggle. Many developers face similar challenges when transitioning between platforms. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, "How do I implement a horizontal progress bar in iOS like on Android?" They mentioned trying a solution for a determinate progress bar, but were unsure how to proceed with other types. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So what's the challenge here? In iOS, creating a horizontal progress bar can be a bit different than in Android. Understanding the UIKit framework and how to manipulate views is key to achieving that smooth, animated effect you're looking for. And stick around. I have a fantastic resource to share at the end that will help you implement this with ease. You won't want to miss it. To create a horizontal progress bar in iOS, similar to Android, the user should start by adding a UI view to their storyboard. This view will serve as the background for the progress bar. Next, the user needs to create another UI view that will represent the progress itself. This view should be placed inside the first view and have a different color, such as blue. Now, the user should create an outlet for the progress view in their view controller. This will allow them to manipulate the width of the progress view programmatically. To update the progress, the user can create a function that adjusts the width of the progress view based on the current progress value. This function will be called whenever the progress needs to be updated. Finally, the user can call this function with a value between 0 and 1 to reflect the progress. For instance, calling it with a value of 0.5 will fill the progress bar halfway. Fun fact, did you know that the first progress bars were just simple text indicators? We've come a long way in UI design, and now we can create beautiful animated progress indicators with just a few lines of code. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by a user involves creating an extension for UI progress view to handle indeterminate progress in iOS. This extension includes properties to track progress status and methods to animate the progress bar. The user's extension allows you to start and stop an indefinite progress animation, making it easy to implement a progress bar similar to Android's in iOS. That's it for that response. Let's explore another one. An alternative solution comes from a user who suggests using material components for iOS. They recommend the material progress view for implementing a horizontal progress bar. Here's the resource I promised. Check out the official Apple documentation on UI view animations. It's a treasure trove of information that will help you master animations in your apps. And there you have it. You now know how to create a horizontal progress bar in iOS just like on Android. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks, and let us know how your progress bar turns out.